The 50-30-20 budget rule. Here is the breakdown. These are all calculated using after-tax dollars and money taken out. 50% of your income should go towards needs. 30% of your income should go towards wants. And 20% of your income should go towards savings and paying off debt. So 50% of your income should go towards needs. Needs are what you can't live without, or at least not very easily. They include things like housing, health insurance, groceries, and utilities. 30% of your income should go towards wants. Wants are what you desire but don't actually need in order to survive. They might include shopping, hobbies, vacations, dining out, and digital streaming services. And 20% of your income should go towards savings and paying off debt. This category covers two main areas, savings and debt, such as retirement, emergency fund, credit cards, student loans, or saving for a house. Here is an example using the average income of a person in the United States in 2022. According to Google, that is $63,214 a year before taxes. Plugged into a federal income tax calculator using New Jersey as the state, the after-taxes income would be $49,539. Let's divide that by 12 and we should get $4,128 per month after taxes. That being said, 50% or $2,064 should go towards your needs. 30% or $1,238 should go towards your wants. And 20% or $826 should go towards your savings and debt repayment. That is all you need to know about the 50-30-20 budget rule. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.